What's up, everybody? This is going to be a quick recipe. I'm going to be making some curry chicken back, okay? Or some curry back, whichever one you want to call it. So here I am. I have about maybe 2 pounds. I have cleaned, washed, and chopped them up. I cleaned them with some lemon and vinegar. So to my bowl, as you see, I just add some green seasoning. You can search my channel to see how I make my green seasoning. Then I have some seasoned blend here, salt, black pepper, paprika, oregano, all the regular normal season that I use. And I'm putting that in. I'll be using 2 brands of curry today. One has spice and the other one don't. It's the Ocho Jamaican Nice Curry. It's spicy hot. Listen, the way how you can see the difference in the shade between both, you know it's spicy. You know there's something additional to it. And then I have the Caribbean Rhythm Curry, mild curry powder. So I'll be going in with both of these. Be careful with the spicy, guys, because it is really spicy. Like one time I used it and I was like, when they say spicy hot, they mean spicy hot. So don't be putting a lot on your stuff, okay? Especially if you're making curry shrimp. If you don't love spice, watch the amount. Because I think that's what I made the time and I was like, oh, this is spicy. And I put a lot. So I'm just mixing this all together so I can set it aside to marinate it. Yet again, we are making some curry chicken back. Keep watching with me, guys. So here I am adding my curry to my oil. To my oil, I add some pimento and garlic. So I'm just gonna add all my curry in. I'm not doing that process of burning the curry, but I am gonna let it sit in the hot oil before I add any extra liquid to it. As I said, there's so many versions out there how to cook any given recipe. This is just my way of how I do it. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go over and check out my Instagram page at YadiGirl_flavor. I'll definitely, I think it's on my page. The link is already there. So all you have to do is just click the link and it will take you straight to my page. As someone said yesterday, when they saw this, they were like, this curry goat studied curry goat. This curry chicken back studied at Harvard. Okay? Harvard. That's how good it was. It was definitely good. Here I am going in and just making sure it's not sticking at the bottom. And just keep mixing it. And normally with curry, you don't need a lot of water because it will spring its own water. Also with the chicken back, I didn't put a lot of oil because we also know chicken back springs its own oil. So here I am just stirring it around, making sure it doesn't stick and it has enough liquid so all the meat can cook through. As you can see, I'm boiling some water in my kettle. I'm going to add some hot water to the bowl that I season my meat in, and so I can have that extra seasoning to my pot. Nothing wasted, all right? Okay, so we are going in. I probably about 1.5 cups. It wasn't a lot of water because you don't need a lot of water. So keep watching, guys, and see how I make this chicken back study at Harvard. my chicken has been simmering for a while, so I'm adding my onions and some yellow bell peppers. Also, when you're cooking and if you have to add any liquid, you always want to add hot or warm water, nothing ever cold, because then you're gonna reduce that temperature that the meat is already cooked at. So you want to add hot water or warm water so it doesn't have to build back up that heat or cook temperature that it was already cooking in. So that's why I got the kettle on and hot some water. So here I am just mixing together, making sure my onion and bell pepper get in. As you can see, the rest of those bell pepper are frozen. I think I've said it on here before. I do buy a whole bunch of bell pepper, wash them, chop them up, and put them in a Ziploc bag and keep them in the freezer. Comment down below and let me know if anybody else does that. But this is it. It's basically just leave it and let it simmer. Even our gravy is starting to come together. Listen, this curry goat did all the bookwork, all the study, and is about to graduate, okay? Listen, I keep calling this chicken back curry goat. I've wanted some curry goat since Thanksgiving and I'm yet to have it, and I keep saying curry goat, but here's my curry chicken back. So here we have it, some curry chicken back. I definitely serve it with some rice and some avocado and tomatoes. See you guys on the next one.